Hi, good day. I'm Bobby from Bota Heavy Company. We are manufacturing automatic welding machine and cutting machines. So today I'm going to show you a positioner. Firstly, I'd like to show you what we are making now. Now we have rotators. Normally we produce wind tower rotators. There are two anti-drift rotators, 100 ton. This one close to us, this is 200 ton. And now you are watching the wind tower rotator, wind tower cantilever platform, wind tower rotator, the green one for China offshore wind tower. So now I'm going to show you a positioner, 10-ton positioner. Now I'm going to show you the remoter. We have cable remoter and a wireless remoter. This remoter has a speed display, so it's inverter speed adjustment. We call VFD speed. It has speed adjustment. I will show you later, and now I tell you the function. It can flip and turn. It can stop. Here is the emergency stop. Now I'm going to show you the control box. First, you can see everything has English here. This is for synchronization with welding equipment. 操作机. So, you can see the inside. This is a Taiwan Delta brand inverter. China changed electrical parts and some cables, wires. You can also, if you need, we can also have Schneider, Siemens, inverter and electricals. Okay, now we are seeing this diagram. BHB 110 ton positioner. This is the torque diameter. You can see the center gauge and the eccentric gauge. And this is the positioner nameplate. Table is 2 meter, 10 ton, and the speed of rotating, speed of flipping, and tilting to 0 to 90 degrees. We also have 135 degrees. 10 ton, motor power 4 kilowatts, flipping power 4 kilowatts, serial number, and the date is just being produced, ready for shipment. Okay, now we are going to show you how now it's already turned on. Go up, turn off, go down, turn on. Okay, now we will start flip. We need to hold it. We need to hold this button. 对，你这个从侧面比较好。它同时按着就可以。So you press the two buttons at the same time. It can flip and turn at the same time. You can see how thick the plate is. It's very thick. 10 ton, very heavy. Our company positioner normally for heavy duty. For small duty like 100 kilo, 300 kilo, our price not that competitive. But for 10 ton, 20 ton, 30 ton, our price very competitive. You can see we produce so many machines. because we produce many machines, so our parts price cost very low, and because we mass production, the cost, labor cost, machining cost, all very low. Okay, this is the biggest speed. Let's adjust the speed. Now it's very slow now. So this is the maximum speed now. See, let's go, let's flip till it is 90 degrees.你到那边看看这机器有多，来看看，比我大。哎 ，The table is 2 meters, is bigger than me. Hello. So you can see now. If you are interested, if you have a demand, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.